I'm coming back to you with a mystery box opening from Cocotique. This box was $25 plus shipping, and we get like 5 to 6 full-size products in there, and we don't know what we're getting until we open our box. So here's our card, but I do have the information on the back of what's supposed to be in this box. The box is pretty heavy too. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And I have a bunch of shreds. This has a lot in it. And these are supposed to be all full-size products in here. I'm just trying to get all the shreds out. Okay, let's put that aside. Oh. The first thing I see is Nature Par, and this is a creamy body lotion with rose and shea butter. I'm trying to see if this says Nature's Better Creamy. This is going to be $21.99 is the retail value. And this can be found on their website, and I'll link that below. But I know I'm going to keep this, so I'm going to open it and try to pump it. Okay. That's where it looks. Smells good. It's silky, it's light. Is absorbed very quickly. Well, and it has a light scent of rose. So this is Nature Par by Canus, C-A-N-U-S, and it's a creamy body lotion. Loving this. The next product that we have is Resmere Peel Off Max, the Kale. And I have this already, so I know what this is all about. I have a couple of their different products. Peel Off Mask. So I know this is something new. Olive Relaxing Bubble Bath Gel. I'm trying to see, I guess let's see who this is made by. Okay, this Olive Natural, sorry about that. Relaxing Bubble Bath. And this full size retails for $19.99, and it's available on their website. Let's see what this smells like. Here's that packaging. Oh, this smells good. Yes, it's nice and light, and it smells good. And it says calendula, olive, and aloe and olive. Calendula, aloe, and olive. And this is a bubble bath. I'm liking that. And if you don't do baths, you could always put it in your foot soaks also. So if you have bubble bath and you don't use it, you can always put them in your foot soak to use it. Okay, what's our next item? In blue, what is this? In blue, alcohol free. Excuse me. Let me see what this is. It's in blue something. M Blue. Oh, it's a M Blue Curl Defining Heat Protection Mist. Yes, I can use that as a, it says alcohol-free heat protection mist defends against thermal styling up to 220 degrees. So yes, I can use that. So I'm glad I got that. So far, so good. I'm happy with this box. Oh, I forgot to tell you what this retails for. This retails for $8.99 on their website. Okay, and looks like our last product. So we got 5 products for $25 plus shipping. So approximately $5 to $6 a piece for each product. This is Aunt Jackie's Elixir Essentials Hair and Scalp Oil. I definitely can use this. See if I tell you which oils are in here. Okay. Hair strength, shine, and volume. And I can use all of this. My hair, it has a good length, but it is so thin, and it's thinning more on the top of the crown of my head than anything. So my hair can use all the help it can get. So this full-size product is $8.99, and you could find it at Aunt Jackie's curlandcoils.com. So I'm loving this. So that was my mystery box, and they gave you a ton of shreds. When I mean a ton, I have a box full of these pink shreds. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to get any product in there with all these shreds. Look at all these shreds, you guys. Just look. So let's do a recap. We got the M Blue. Do a recap. We have the M Blue Curl Defining Heat Protection Mist. Then we have the Olive Relaxing Bubble Bath. Then I received the Kale Peel Off Mask. Then our Nature's, and this is a creamy body lotion. And last but not least, Miss Jackie Elixir oils for your hair. I liked everything, and I will use everything in this box. I'll put the information down below if you're interested in any of these items or just want to get one of the boxes that I got. You can go ahead and order. I'm sure they're still available. That's all I have for you today, guys.